name is Daniel Suttoff. I work as a solution architect for Equinix. Equinix is the world's largest data center company, and we're providing services to our 10,000 customers. Our data centers are around the world on 5 continents. We have customers from different types of industries, like healthcare, governmental, media companies, cloud providers, and they all require one thing, and that is 24/7, 365 availability. A lot of our customers face problems with availability in their own data centers. They came to us and asked us for creating a design to make their data more available, even across multiple sites, to have it available all the time. The main advantage of Veeam over legacy backup applications is that it gives us the ease and the versatility of doing things at scale that we were not able to do previously. One of the benefits of onboarding our customer at least 50% faster than before is that it's more business agile. We can onboard more customers within the same time frame. It's not only as beneficial for the customers, but also for us as a company. Our customers at Equinix use around 3 petabytes of data, and we use Veeam products to make that available to them to use it for backup and replication purposes. With this software, we can do it in a timely manner within their expectations. Versatility is key in using this product, because we are operating different types of cloud environments, private cloud environments for our customers, and we tend to use less products as possible. And the Veeam offering is a package that we can use for all of these types. What we like especially from the Veeam software is the ability to integrate with different vendor solutions. We are using NetApp products in our site. The Veeam product is integrating with it very good, so we're using the snapshot integration with it, and it's doing a tremendous thing in reducing the stun time for VMs especially, and also in replicating VMs to different sites for availability purposes. Some customers of ours have very strict RPO and RTO times, and with this Veeam product, we are able to deliver that to our customers.